All right, my PP, sorry about that. My doggone storage. I do so many videos and everything. Y'all, look, I was able to get that seasoning pack, the noodles that was in, so I was able to boil them a little bit. And here they go. Here are the noodles. Putting it in the pan. Come on, noodles. Wait a minute, y'all. No, I should have ran some water over. Can't stand for my noodles to stick. Stick together. Because it was hot when I pulled them. Okay. Can't stand those sticky noodles. Okay, yeah. Noodles going in the pot. Okay, let's get a little fire going. So, that's the noodle toast. Okay, now I'm finna get the ground beef. Because it's nice and drained. We got that's the ground beef and the peppers and the onions going in. All that's in there. Now we need to put some milk and the water because we got to put the what you call in there. What did I say? Turn it down a little bit. We got to put the cheese sauce in. So we're going to do 1 cup of milk. Oops. 2 cups of milk. 3. 2.5. Then I got to do 2 cups of water. Because we got to finish cooking the noodles. Remember I just cooked them a little bit? Remember just a little bit? Because them noodles got to cook. They got to cook. Y'all want to see how this looks so far? Oh, let me put the dry cheese mix in first. What do I do with the other one? This is the dry cheese mix. The dry one. We don't put the wet one in yet. We put the Velveeta one in almost to the end. Because we just put the milk and the water in there and that got to cook down. We don't want to put that cheese in there because we'll lose it. Where's my cheese sauce? Did I throw it away, y'all? Oh. Here goes some. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, y'all. Hold your horse. Hold your horse. What cheese sauce was this? Man, I don't even know what's going on. Ooh. There I go, y'all. These doggone rugs. I just give up. Where's my other cheese sauce? I just really truly give up, y'all. What's really going on around here? I don't know what I did with the other cheese sauce. What this is? Lasagna cheese something seasoning. But we're going to put this in here. All your dry go in first. That's another dry. What does this say? This says 4 C's cheese. Oh, this is it. Well, what was that other thing I poured in there, y'all? I'm just pouring. I'm just pouring stuff. But I bet you be good. I bet you that. Okay, that's all the cheese sauces. The dry cheese sauces. Now let's get a little bit more fire under here. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like in a minute. Let me kind of blend it up a little bit, cause this that milk and that water gotta cook down before I put any kind of the good cheese. And we're gonna go and throw that in there. It's gonna be good. I know what I'm doing. It's a 3-cheese lasagna / Philly steak and cheese noodle. It's all go together. Trust me, y'all, it's gonna be good. Okay, let's put a little black pepper over there. This is gonna be good, y'all. Little black pepper. Oh, pepper. Put a little parsley for color. Parsley make everything taste good. And parsley ain't even got taste to it. It just makes everything look pretty, I mean. Okay, so the last... Ooh, I forgot to open that. The last cheese sauce gonna be the Velveeta nacho cheese. It's gonna be good. Trust me. Okay, I'm getting a bubble. As soon as I get a bubble. Oh, yeah. See, because these noodles got to cook, so that's why I had to put that extra liquid in there. So I don't like no tough noodles. No way, Jose. Let me get a little dishwater going over here for my dish. Because I like to wash as I cook. So when I get through, we won't have to have that to worry about. We won't have to have that to worry about. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't use these noodles, y'all. Because that's enough. I'm glad that I didn't use none of these. We got enough noodles. We got enough to do what it do. We got enough. So let's put this back in there. Okay, this. Okay, I'm getting a little, I hate this little thin skillet too. You gotta keep stirring. You see, it's already trying to stick. It's already trying to stick. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all see in 1 minute. In 1 minute, baby, hold your horse. Hold your horse. I'm gonna let y'all see what it looking like. Where's my dish rag? Well, dish rag, where are you, dish rag? Do y'all be finding y'all dish rags in the refrigerator and in the oven and in your bedroom? Especially around the holidays when you're cooking. You just be everywhere and looking for everything and putting down everything everywhere. Yeah, ooh, that water hot. Ooh, that water hot. Ooh, that water hot. Okay, y'all, it's coming up on the bubble. Yeah. And then the reason I'm cooking today, because she's off. And she's tired. You know. So I said, let me cook my baby something. She's a good daughter. She did try to cook us a little something the other day. A little something. Okay, yeah. I think I can get ready to let y'all see what it looking like. Hold your horse. And I think this is going to go so good with my little salad I made. Y'all, we going to be good in a few minutes. Told y'all. And it didn't even take long. That's what I like about it. It didn't take long at all. And then they can put whatever kind of salad dressing on their stuff they want. Y'all, my doggone thing. I turned that baby for real, y'all. That knee went the whole other way it wanted to go. I'm going to have to go in there and take some pain pill. Something I've been trying not to take. Unless I need them. Okay, here you go. Woo-hoo! Y'all, this already look good. Yeah. And I ain't even got all the seasons in it. Okay, so let me see. Okay. Ain't quite there, but it's getting there. Let me wash that off. Okay. First seasoning. Put a little onion season. The onion season. My stuff. We're gonna put a little chicken bouillon. Jolie. What I tell y'all about cooking. Then we're gonna put a little sea salt. Cause you know this cheese got salt in it. Gonna put a little garlic salt. Just a little bit. Just a little garlic salt. Wait a minute, let me get a spoon. Which one I want? Use this. Wait a minute, y'all. Let me rinse. No, I want to use that plastic. Let me rinse it off. Rinse it. Okay. Sticking again, y'all. Okay. Now we're going to put some this cheese. Woo-hoo! It's cheese, y'all. Yeah, this looks so good. Now for the Velveeta. The Velveeta. The Velveeta. The Velveeta. Ooh. Mm. The Velveeta. Y'all, I don't think I need no more cheese. This is so cheesy. I can't even see the noodles. For all the cheese. That's all right. What we say? Who like cheese? Fat people and kids. This just looks good. I know it tastes good. Y'all ready to see it? I could have put some more bell peppers. See if y'all ready to see it? Let me turn the eye down a little bit because I don't want it to stick. This looks. With that salad, I think we needed some doggone, some kind of dinner rolls. Let me taste it. Wait a minute, wait. Something missing. Something is missing. Garlic powder. I think it's the pepper. I think it's the pepper that's missing, y'all. Pepper. Garlic powder. Parsley. Put some Italian seasoning in it. That's how you cook. Let me rinse my spoon back out. Let me rinse my spoon back out. And then I'll let y'all see what I'm working with. Call my daughter down here so she could be the first taste tester. Oh, what time is it? Oh, the kids got another hour to go to school. Y'all, it is so cheesy. It is so cheesy. I gotta find out what was missing in it. Let me see. Let me see if that did anything, y'all. Oh, you horses. Oh, you horses. Let's see what that did. Still. something. Garlic, onion. Some of this garlic, onion, black pepper, sea salt. Something is missing. Y'all know how you gotta doctor this stuff up. A little bit more sea salt. It's the pepper. I know it's the pepper, but I don't want to put too much pepper. I wish I had some pepper. I got some cayenne. Oh yeah, Cajun seasoning. That's what's missing. It need a hit of spice. I ain't got no spice. I got the cheese taste. I got the flavor, but it's a spice that's missing. See, that's what I'm trying to tell y'all about cooking. I can't do that measurement stuff because I don't use measurement. I go by taste. Like Michael Jackson told Oprah Winfrey the interview. He said he don't go by the music is in him. That's why he was such a good dancer. Because he let the music move his body. So that's what I'm doing. That's what good cooks do. Wait a minute, y'all. That's what good cooks do. We cook and taste, cook and taste, cook and taste, cook and taste, cook and... No, you didn't. Cook and taste, cook and taste. What I tell y'all? Cook and taste. There go my spice. Told you. Hey, Smash. Hey, sir. It's ready. Spice, y'all. That's what it needed. Some more spice. Put a little bit more of this Cajun. Told y'all. What that other one there? This garlic, onion, and whatever it was. I told you. All it need was a little bit more spice. Now I'm ready. Now y'all can see it. Oh. You see this big old pot? Watch it be gone. Y'all come back tomorrow. For that fact, come back tonight. And watch how it's gonna be gone. Y'all, I think I did it. I did it. Okay, y'all ready to see it? Woo. Y'all see it? Nice and cheesy. Seasoned. See them bell peppers in there. The red, the green, the onions. That good cheese. 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 That's it, y'all. Well, y'all didn't tell me. Y'all know what's missing too. Which I really don't need it, but yes, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna piss somebody off. But I don't care. It's my food. Y'all know we need a dab. Just to get with that other taste. Who I just piss off? Who did I just piss off? Well, guess what? Y'all ain't gotta eat it. No, I know this is not spaghetti, and it's not. It's not potato salad, and it's not. It's a cheesy mix. The very way you put that shit in there. Cause it's mine. Now let me see. I told y'all, when you know what you're doing, you know what you're doing. Y'all, it took it to another universe. I was a bad mother, shut your mouth. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go, and after my daughter fix her plate, I'm gonna take a picture of her plate, okay? I'll be back. I love you guys.